In front of me is Nokia XR20, and let me show you how to change home on world location on Google Maps. So at first you need to open Google Maps, then tap on your account icon and pick settings and click on edit home or work. To change the home pin, just tap on more, tap on edit home, and now smoothly pick the place that you would like to change it to, or we can pick Macau. Then tap on save. Wakey. Okay, so let's... Actually, it has been already dropped, so we can go back. And it's the same situation with work. Just click on edit work and then pick some place that you would like to add this pin to. It can be, for example, this one. And as you can see, it has been added. Then, whenever you want to change the pin icon, just click on change icon, and for example, home can be this treehouse. And then work can be, for example, this one. And from now on, if you will take a look at the map, this is your work location with this personalized icon. And home location will be with this treehouse over here, right here. So this is it. That will be all. This is how you can change home and work location, how you can also change the pin icon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.